Advanced Materials Testing Services, Understanding Modern Materials Characterization Techniques. Hello everyone and welcome to this special session brought to you by URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. In today's highly competitive industrial environment, product quality, reliability, safety and performance have become more important than ever before. Whether you are manufacturing aerospace components, automotive parts, electronic devices, petrochemical equipment, pharmaceuticals, advanced polymers, or construction materials, understanding the behavior and characteristics of materials is critical. Modern industries can no longer rely solely on conventional testing methods. Advanced materials characterization techniques provide deeper insights into material composition, microstructure, thermal behavior, crystallographic phases, and failure mechanisms. In this presentation, we will discuss some of the most powerful analytical and testing techniques available through URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited and its worldwide network of associated laboratory partners. We will cover scanning electron microscopy, transmission electron microscopy, energy dispersive X-ray analysis, X-ray diffraction, coefficient of linear thermal expansion, differential thermal analysis, thermogravimetric analysis. Let us begin. Why advanced materials testing matters. Before discussing specific techniques, let us first understand why advanced testing is necessary. Many engineering failures originate from material related issues such as improper material selection, manufacturing defects, contamination, corrosion, heat treatment problems, phase transformation issues, fatigue and creep damage. Without proper testing and characterization, these issues may remain hidden until costly failures occur. Advanced testing help organizations improve product quality, reduce manufacturing defects, enhance product performance, support research and development, validate new materials, perform root cause failure analysis, meet customer and regulatory requirements. Now let us explore the techniques one by one. First, scanning electron microscopy (SEM). One of the most widely used materials characterization techniques is scanning electron microscopy, commonly known as SEM. SEM uses a focused electron beam to scan the specimen surface and generate highly magnified images. Unlike conventional optical microscopes, SEM can provide magnifications exceeding 100,000 times with exceptional depth of field. What information does SEM provide? SEM help analyze surface morphology, grain structures, fracture surfaces, coatings, corrosion damage, wear patterns, cracks, porosity. Industrial applications. SEM is extensively used in aerospace industries, automotive manufacturing, electronics, medical devices, metallurgical investigations. Failure analysis example. Imagine a critical shaft fails unexpectedly in service. SEM examination of the fracture surface can reveal whether failure occurred due to fatigue, overload, corrosion, manufacturing defects. This information is invaluable for preventing future failures. Transmission electron microscopy (TEM). Moving further into microscopic world, we have transmission electron microscopy. TEM is among the most advanced analytical tools available today. Unlike SEM, where electrons scan the surface, TEM transmits electrons through an ultra-thin specimen. This enables visualization at the nanometer and even atomic scale. Why TEM is important? TEM can reveal nanostructures, critical defects, dislocations, grain boundaries, nanoparticles, atomic arrangements. Industries using TEM. TEM plays a crucial role in nanotechnology, semiconductor manufacturing, advanced alloys, aerospace materials, battery development, research laboratories. Example, in lithium-ion battery development, TEM helps researchers understand degradation mechanisms and optimize battery performance. Then next is energy dispersive X-ray analysis, EDX/EDS. Same images shows us what a material looks like. But how do we determine what elements are present? This is where EDX comes into play. EDX is commonly integrated with SEM systems. When the electron beam interacts with a sample, characteristic X-rays are emitted. By analyzing these X-rays, the elemental composition of the material can be identified. Why EDS can detect what? Major elements, minor elements, contamination, foreign particles, coating composition. Practical applications: EDX is used for quality control, material verification, corrosion investigations, failure analysis, reverse engineering. Example: suppose contamination is discovered on a pharmaceutical manufacturing component. EDX can identify the chemical elements present and help trace the contamination source. The next is X-ray diffraction (XRD). While EDX tells us elemental composition, it does not reveal crystal structure. For this purpose, industries rely on X-ray diffraction. XRD is a powerful technique used to identify crystalline phases present in materials. What does XRD reveal? XRD provides information about crystal structures, phase identification, crystallinity, residual stresses, phase transformations. Industries benefiting from XRD: metallurgy, mining, ceramics, cement, pharmaceuticals, advanced materials. Qualitative phase analysis. One of the most valuable capabilities of XRD is qualitative phase analysis. This helps determine exactly which crystalline compounds exist within a sample. Example: a steel component may contain ferrite, austenite, martensite, or carbide. XRD can identify these phases and help evaluate heat treatment effectiveness. Coefficient of linear thermal expansion. Many engineering systems operate under changing environments. Materials expand and contract as temperature fluctuate. The coefficient of linear thermal expansion measures this dimensional change. Why CLT is important? Thermal expansion differences can cause distortion, cracking, joint failures, seal failures, thermal stresses. Applications: CLTE testing is important in aerospace, electronics, automotive, construction, composite materials. Example: electronic assemblies contain different materials bonded together. If expansion rates differ significantly, thermal cycling may cause premature failure. CLTE testing helps engineers select compatible material. Now, differential thermal analysis (DTA). What is this? Understanding how materials respond to temperature is critical in many industries. Differential thermal analysis measures temperature differences between a sample and a difference material during heating or cooling. Information obtained from DTA: melting temperatures, crystallization behavior, oxidation reactions, decomposition temperatures, phase transition. Industries using DTA: ceramics, polymers, pharmaceuticals, metallurgy, chemicals. Example: a manufacturer developing a new polymer can use DTA to understand processing temperatures and thermal stability. Then next is thermogravimetric analysis (TGA). Another important thermal characterization technique is thermogravimetric analysis. TGA measures changes in material weight as temperature increases. What can TGA determine? Moisture content, volatile content, thermal stability, oxidation resistance, composition percentages. Applications: TGA is widely used for polymers, composites, coatings, pharmaceuticals, chemicals. Example: a polymer manufacturer can use TGA to determine decomposition temperature and evaluate long-term stability. Now, combining multiple techniques. The real power of advanced characterization lies in combining techniques. For example, SAM plus EDX provides microstructure and elemental composition. XRD plus SAM provides phase identification and morphology. DTA plus TGA provides complete thermal behavior information. TAM plus EDX provides nanoscale structural and chemical analysis. By integrating multiple analytical methods, engineers gain a complete understanding of material performance. How these services support industry. Organizations worldwide use advanced materials testings for product development, research products, material qualification, failure investigations, supply validation, quality assurance, regulatory compliance, process optimization. These services help reduce risk while improving performance and reliability. Why choose URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited? URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited provides access to specialized testing capabilities through its global network of associated laboratory partners. Our focus is on delivering reliable results, internationally recognized testing, detailed technical reports, expert technical guidance, worldwide support. Whether your requirements involves advanced microscopy, thermal analysis, phase identification, contamination analysis, or failure investigations, our team can help connect you with the right testing expertise. At last conclusion, advanced materials testing has become an essential part of modern engineering and manufacturing. Techniques such as SAM, TAM, EDX, XRD, CLTE, DTA, and TGA provides provide critical insights that help industries improve quality, reliability, safety, and innovation. As materials continue to evolve and become more sophisticated, advanced characterization techniques will play an increasingly important role in research, development, manufacturing, and failure prevention. Thank you for joining us today. For testing inquiries and technical support, please contact URGS International Engineering Services Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgseng.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. If you found this session useful, please like, share, and subscribe for more engineering, quality, materials, and industrial technology content. Thank you and see you in our next technical session.